Hi, so in this video we're going to learn about goal seek feature of Excel. Let's suppose you have this data, weight in pound, height in inches, and the BMI calculation using this formula, and then you have a target BMI. So you want to achieve this target BMI by changing maybe weight or height. Okay, so let's consider that you want to change height, and to achieve this 26 target BMI, what height you need in inches. Okay, and how can we do this using goal seek? So this is the problem, and we can solve this using goal seek. You just need to go into this data tab and then look at this what if analysis and find this goal seek. So now you have three inputs here: set cell. So this cell BMI, that's my cell. To value, this is need to be a hard coded value, so you cannot put reference like 26. So I'm going to use 26 by changing cell. So what you want to change? We want to change height so that we can calculate what is the height requirements, right? And if you just run this okay, then you'll see that you need 68.78 inches height to achieve 26 target BMI. Let's suppose we want to do this in reverse way. We want to change the weight. Okay, so initially it was like 60. So I'm just going to use this what if analysis again. Goal seek. Now my set cell is still C4. To value is 26, and by changing cell is the weight requirements. And if I run this again, then you can see to get 26 BMI we need 133 pound weight, right, with this 60-inch height. So that is the goal seek feature, and this is really useful when you have scenario like this, that you want to achieve something, some amount, and that is dependent on other calculation, other inputs variable, and you want to achieve that target value by changing one specific parameter, okay, like this height or weight. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any question. Have a good day.